responsible to, I will add some point which came up in the other session, which Chindan may not have kept it properly, but I will add them. And then I will translate it in Hindi. And we will have discussion on the first two group reports, and then we will have the second two group presentation, because otherwise people will forget. On the gamification, the suggestion was that it has become a very powerful industry, and the idea is that you involve people widely, openly, to solve a problem. There are people who have generated new solutions for diseases for which they spent 15 years of research, and then in 1 month, when 20,000-30,000 people participated in the game, they could find a solution for the disease. So there have been some spectacular results by using games. And for example, if somebody says cycle-based platform suggest a new application, those who suggest a new application get 50 points, and those who suggest well-known application get no point. So you start getting points, and then those who accumulate more points get more privileges to participate and contribute more ideas, and finally you give prizes to those who have given the most new ideas or whose new ideas have been built upon by other people. And there are different points for giving new idea or building upon a new idea. So like that, some very creative games can be developed, and I am sure that this is something we are going to get involved very quickly, because I like this idea. This is a very interesting, engaging idea of involving scholars, scientists, other people to make it fun and at the same time solve problems. So that was one idea. Second was that an idea which Mohit gave, that many times some innovators don't need material rewards, but they have anxieties. They give away their innovation in public domain, but they have anxieties. And anxiety, most important anxiety with them is that their children often do not get proper education. So his suggestion was, which we have decided to implement immediately as soon as possible, that we should assure the education of the children till 12th class. That is an incentive that NIF should provide to all those innovators who put their unique innovation in public domain. And NIF has accepted this idea, and we are going to implement it, and we will invite Mohit when we launch this idea. So that's a very, very useful idea. We are not, the person is not asking anything for himself, but if his children's future is a little bit assured, then more innovators might come and volunteer and share their ideas in public domain. That was the suggestion. Third point was that apps could be developed. Our friend Dr. Chindan mentioned yesterday in the morning also that apps could be developed which can automatically